2019 Dodge Challenger SXT V6 black on black. He's one of our fans. He came by, he's been watching the video, he just bought that car, said I gotta bring it to Exhaust Addicts, so we got him hooked up. Factory converter, factory X pipe. Then he brought his own AP Technologies glass packs. There and there. Here's the part number on them. 301200S as in Sam. There'll be a link in the description for them, guys, if we can find them. Then 2 1/4 continues. And then he asked also for a rear resonator delete, which we did for him. He saw our video on the J-pipes, which cancels out drone. So we also installed some J-pipes for him there and there. You don't lose any sound, you just lose all the drone inside the vehicle. So it's got J-pipes there and they're shut off at the end. They're closed off right there. So we custom make them inside the shop when customers request them. They're called J-pipes. And again, there's the glass packs right there. So there's the 2 mids that were on it, and there's the 2 rears that were on it. So if you guys ever wonder what they look like, that's what they look like. There and there. Really clean, really nice. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Dodge Challenger SXT with AP. The J-pipes also take the rasp away. That sounds nice. I like it. You approve? Yeah. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 103. Yeah, that sounds good. Good looking car too, man. You just get it? Yeah. Congrats. Yeah, that sounds neat. I like it. Little revving difference. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Challenger AP mids, rear delete, and J-pipes. Sounds really nice. Wow, I like it. Enjoy, guys.